JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Dahua Technology, HDCVI CCTV, 8-channel Pentabrid Cooper WizSense Digital Video Recorder. Unboxing. Dual stream video compression. AI coding has full channel support. HDCVI, AHD, TVI, CDBS, and IP video inputs are all supported. Max 10 channels of IP camera inputs, each channel up to 6 MP, max 40 megabits per second of incoming bandwidth. Package contents: DVR, SATA data and power cable, HDD screws, mouse, 12 volts power adapter, and installation guide. Launched by Dahua Technology. WizSense is a series of AI products and solutions that adopt an independent AI chip and a deep learning algorithm. It focuses on humans and vehicles with high accuracy, enabling users to quickly act on defined targets. Based on Dahua's advanced technologies, WizSense makes your video intelligent, simple, and inclusive. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.